Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover deleted texts with AT&T, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover deleted texts with AT&T, start by checking if you have AT&T's backup service enabled. Visit the AT&T website and log into your account. Navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Manage My Plan option. Find the AT&T Messages Backup and Sync feature. If you are enrolled, you can access your deleted messages. Open the AT&T Messages app on your device or access it through your computer. Log in with your AT&T account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Messages tab. Check the Archived Messages section for any deleted texts. If you don't find your messages there, check if you have a backup on your phone. Go to your device's settings and look for Backup and Restore. Follow the prompts to restore messages from a previous backup. If that doesn't work, consider using third-party recovery software. Research and choose a reputable software that specializes in text recovery. Download and install the program on your computer. Connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Open the recovery software and follow the on-screen instructions. The software will scan your device for any recoverable messages. Once the scan is completed, review the results and select the messages you wish to recover. Click the Restore button to save the messages back to your device. If you are unable to retrieve your texts using these methods, contacting AT&T customer support may be necessary. Explain your situation to them, as they may have additional resources or solutions. Keep in mind that recovery chances depend on the time elapsed since deletion and your device's settings. Consider regularly backing up your messages to prevent future data loss. Using AT&T's backup service can provide peace of mind against accidental deletions. Be proactive in managing your text messages to ensure important conversations remain accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.